Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what is a between operator in SQL and how we can use it with different examples. Basically, the between operator selects values within a given range. So these values can be numbers, text or dates. The between operator returns true when the expression to test is between the start expression and the end expression. To negate the result of between, we can also use the not between operator. We usually use between operator in the where clause. So this is the basic syntax of between operator, in which we are selecting a column from a table and we are using between operator in where clause. In this, we are getting the values between these two expression, value 1 and value 2, by using between operator. This is one simple example of between operator in which we are fetching the records from products table and we are giving where condition, in which we are fetching the data whose price is between 10 and 20. Let me show you how to use between operator with some different examples. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use between operator on the employees table. Let me show you its metadata. For this we have to use describe command, which is tsc, and the table name is employees, semicolon and enter. So here are the number of columns present in the employees table along with their data types and constraints. For the first example, we will fetch the data for employee ID, first name, last name and salary, where the salary will be between 5,000 and 10,000. For that, just type select. Now we have to give the column names, which are employee ID, first name, last name and salary from the table name, which is employees, and we have to use where condition, where and the column name, which salary, and we will use the between operator here. So between, the first expression will be 5,000 and we are separating these values by AND operator. So AND 10,000. After hitting semicolon and enter, here you can see we are getting the employee ID, first name, last name and salary, in which the salary is between 5,000 and 10,000. Here you can see all the records in which salary is greater than or equal to 5,000 or less than or equal to 10,000. To negate this query, we can also use not between operator, by which we can get the employees whose salary is not between 5,000 and 10,000. For this, we just have to copy the previous query and we just have to use not before the between operator, just not between 5,000 and 10,000. After hitting enter, here you can see all this employee ID, first name, last name and salary, in which the salary is not between 5,000 and 10,000. Here you can see the salaries are either less than 5,000 or greater than 10,000. For the next example, we are using the between operator on the marks table. Let me show you how many records are present in that table. For this, just type select star from marks. Here you can see the 15 records are present in the marks table, having the column names student number, module and mark. So we are using the between operator on the mark column here. We will fetch the records, all the records for the marks between 60 and 100. For this, just type select. We will fetch all the records, so all from marks table Now the where condition as usual, and we have to give column name on which we have to use the between operator. Here we are using mark column. So mark, now between as usual, and the two expression. So we are using two values here. One is 60 and 100. Semicolon and enter. Here we are getting 8 records which satisfies this where condition. We are getting all the records having the marks which is greater than or equal to 60 and less than or equal to 100. Here you can see. We can also negate this where condition by using the not operator in front of between. For this, just copy the previous query and just use not operator before the between operator. After hitting enter, here you can see we are getting all the records having the marks less than 60 because no marks are greater than 100. I hope you got clear idea what is a between operator, why we are using it, and how to use it in the where clause by some simple examples. Please watch our full playlist which is dedicated to SQL, link in the description below and also in the I button here. For more exciting tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get notified for every update.